Hey there, project managers. This is Sean Tidge again. Today, I'm diving into why work-based structure is a game changer in the construction industry. Ever felt bogged down by traditional project management methods? Let me introduce you to a smarter way of organizing your projects. First off, what exactly is a work-based structure? Simply put, it's a system that breaks down a project into small, manageable work packages. Imagine taking a huge, complex task and splitting it into bite-sized chunks. Each chunk has a specific goal, timeline, and resource allocation. Why does this matter? Well, let's start with the math. Imagine you have a construction project valued at $1 million. Traditionally, you'd manage this as a single entity, making it hard to track individual costs and progress. Now, break it down into 10 work packages worth $100,000 each. Suddenly, it's easier to monitor, control, and adjust. Picture this, you've got a team working on the foundation, another on the framing, and yet another on the electrical work. Each team has clear deliverables and a timeline. If one team falls behind, it doesn't derail the entire project. You can quickly identify the problem and take corrective action. Another benefit is resource optimization. When you break down tasks into work packages, you can allocate resources more efficiently. Need more concrete for the foundation? No problem. Got surplus materials from framing? Reallocate them where needed. This flexibility cuts down on waste and maximizes your budget. Communication also improves. With clear defined tasks, everyone knows their role and responsibility. No more confusion or overlapping duties. It's like having a well-oiled machine where each part knows exactly what to do. Now let's talk about risk management. Smaller work packages mean you can identify potential risks early on. If you spot a problem in one package, you can address it before it affects the entire project. It's proactive rather than reactive. Finally, let's not forget about client satisfaction. By delivering tangible progress regularly, you keep your clients in the loop and build trust. They see the project evolving step by step, which boosts their confidence in your management skills. So there you have it. Work-based structure isn't just a buzzword, it's a practical approach that can revolutionize your construction projects. Give it a try and see the difference for yourself. Thanks for watching. Any question, please bring it on for the professionals. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more project management tips. Catch you in the next video. Thank you for watching. Sean Tidge.